let me tell you how I already suck at this. I already started my day, already chose my outfit. I already put a poll on my Instagram saying choose an outfit. Didn't even film it. I'm just defeating the whole concept of this video, and I'm just like, gotta show it to the people. I didn't eat because I've been starving myself because I already messed it up the first time, so I wanted to actually ask Instagram what I should eat. I'm gonna go on Instagram. Ooh, oh my god. Coffee or tea? Should I make it cute? Should I put the script on? But I feel like nobody could really read that because I can barely read that. Yep, this is the final product, and so yeah, we're gonna post that. Yay, the first one. My skin is like breaking out, and I drink water all the time. I got this. I try to drink at least 3 of these a day so that like I am ensured glass skin. I need some. Oh my god, my room is a mess. Oh, let me show you guys the other outfit choice that I had. This is it. Oh my gosh, where's all this hair coming from? This is a shirt that I got from Shein. It's from my recent Shein haul, but yeah, I like it. Sometimes I wear it out, sometimes I just wear it to lounge in. And these are sweatpants that I got from Misguided, and they're just regular black sweatpants. All my sweatpants have pockets, so I don't even play that. This is my outfit. This outfit is actually all Shein. Sponsor me, Shein. We love you over here. This is all from my haul. Wow. Okay, I have no clothes. Turn you back around and show you the outfit this way. Yep. And we're matching socks today. We had time. Now we go downstairs. Okay. We move on now. My dog is running around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Just like staring at me. Like, this is all he does. Look who's up. Good morning, Kennedy. That is my little sister. She is 8 now. Last time you saw her, I believe she was 4. Let's check the poll now. So, T1, do you guys not know me? Oreo! Oh my gosh! He just jumped like 3 steps. The dog. No, because literally he's going to jump from this step down here. I do that too. He's going higher. Let's figure out what I'm gonna eat. What should I eat for breakfast? Full day. Okay. Just say oatmeal, Oreo, oatmeal, or a bagel. That's the final product.
What should you vacuum or mop? Ask them that.
No.
That ain't one of the important questions.
This is my YouTube channel.
Oh.
You go make your own YouTube channel. My mommy has AirPods now. Okay, so it's been a while since I posted. Here's my tea. It tastes good. 100% of you voted for a bagel. Yay. Here is my doggy. This is Oreo. So my camera just shut off on me because my card was full. So I had to transfer that information to my laptop for editing. And yeah, now we're here. Creating the poll for Instagram, clean out my closet or do some homework. I really don't want to do homework and you guys have been letting me down. I don't really know what to do. Half of you guys are saying do my homework and half of you guys are saying clear my closet. Oh my god. Let's get some music in the meantime while you guys settle this out. Oh wait, I don't want to get copyrighted. Shoot. Let's see how the poll did. Hey, closet. Okay, let's go clean my closet. And whoever said do your homework can go to jail. We're going to organize my closet, shed some things. Oh, it's looking a little empty. You sure I should be shedding? Yeah, we're gonna shed and donate whenever we get out of quarantine. I'm gonna take it to the Goodwill. This is my little baby sneaker collection. I am very proud of it so far, and I am going to keep building it.
Gotta keep your balance or you fall into the gap. It's a challenge, but I manage cause I'm cautious with the strap. Do damage to your cabbage that a doctor cannot pass. See why you don't want no friction like the back of a matchbook. That if SS will fold you and your MacBook. Close shows shut you down before we go backwards. Act up, and whether we high or low, we gonna get back up like the Dow Jones and NASDAQ. Sort of like a thong get your hand crack. Come on.
Okay, so now we have to figure out something else to do. I was thinking about doing my makeup. Or yoga. Okay, so here's the final product. While we wait, I'm gonna go charge my battery because it's bugging out right now. It's even flashing. Hey guys, so it's been a little minute. Let's see how the poll is doing. Yoga is the winner. We're gonna get to stretching. Got my girl Cassandra on my TV and we about to do some yoga.
Your right
Ooh, that
ear
felt
with
kinda
your
good.
right
Hold
shoulder. This day you want to have.
A good one.
What are you looking forward to today?
Sleep. Okay, so did some yoga. Now hydration. I'm gonna ask Snapchat what I should eat, fruit or PB&J. Give that a few minutes, and in the meantime, yeah, okay. You know what? I saw on TikTok how to make a mask, and I wanted to try it out. So what it said that you needed a plastic bag, a scarf, like a headscarf, and 2 scrunchies. We're gonna try this out for the first time. Hi. You start out with your scarf and then you fold it hot dog style. Make sure you have a rectangle. Boom, just like that. Look at you. This is the TikTok. He like folded this Ziploc bag in the middle. He folded both ends inward. You're gonna take your scrunchies, right? Make sure you have 2 and put them on each side. And I'm assuming you have to put it close to the plastic bag. Both this in and this in, and then yeah. I think my bag is too big. Hold on, this is a fail. We're gonna try again. With a smaller scarf. Okay, scratch that. Okay, this is a smaller scarf. This one is a little bit more busted. Hold that. My Ziploc bag is a little, boom, boom. This scarf is too, okay, scratch that. We're gonna find another scarf. Hold. Let's make that a little bit more. Okay. I'm protected for sure. Let's see if it really will stay. Okay, let's see what you guys said. You guys said fruit. You know what, whatever. I should have put it as a freaking option. That's my fault. Okay, let's go get some fruit. Here's our selection. We have banana. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Yeah. Have anything over here? It's a wine. It's made out of grapes. What you guys asked for?
Order's on the table! Help!
He's gonna pee on the floor again. He's getting too excited. Okay, so my camera battery died. Let's check on the poll. It's been a minute. Y'all want me to make TikToks? I have never made a TikTok before, but we're gonna make this work.
Like a girl, and he got vice towards the girl. See both sides like you know. See on both sides like you know.
Hey guys, so it is later in the day. I just was spending some time with some family and hanging out. So I just wanted to come through and just talk about the quarantine and like coronavirus. I want to shed some positivity and some light on you guys. Let you guys know that this is it's not gonna last. We are gonna see the end of this, and it's gonna come soon. To all that have lost due to this corona, my heart and condolences go out to you. You have immense support. This has affected many people in many ways. I'm just so grateful for everybody that are, you know, sticking to staying home and, you know, quarantining and staying safe, washing your hands, taking the proper precautions, keep this virus at bay. But yeah, staying at home is like it gives you a lot of time to just be in your thoughts. You're not occupied with doing other things and stuff like that, even before quarantine. So for everybody who was already dealing with some darkness before quarantine and has to deal with like 10 times more than what they had to, letting you know like we're all in this together, and let everybody know that you love them and that you appreciate their time. But yeah, all right, right now I'm going to clean my room and see where the rest of the day takes us. Currently uploading the footage so that I can free up some space on my cards. Oh, there I go. I'm going to clean my room now because it looks crazy. It is currently 10:40. All right, I'm trying to overpower Darren again, and it's not happening. Room for 1 star in this video. I am currently trying to upload footage onto Final Cut and start editing the video. And yeah, it may not be the best video, but it was definitely very fun and very exhausting to film. Yeah, very exhausting. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, give somebody a hug. Oh wait, no, actually no, don't. Stay safe, stay 6 feet away, social distance, wash your hands, use sanitizer, read a book, learn something. All right, bye.